First of all, let me say that we said to the Attorney General, for us to be meeting with him, talking about these issues has to be seen in the historic context that brings about the necessity to continue to fight, no matter who or what party's in office, to protect the equal rights, particularly of those of us that have been legally discriminated against. He is from Selma, Alabama, and we spent a large part of the meeting talking about the need to uphold the Voting Rights Act, talking about how disenfranchising of voters in new schemes should not in any way be tolerated by any administration. And we talked extensively about law enforcement, consent decrees, how these are not just taken somewhere out of the abstract. There have been proven cases of police departments that have practiced and have been found to have patterns of discriminatory behavior with law enforcement enforcement as well as behavior. I cited to him the Walter Scott case that is already under indictment, headed for trial. We want to see that go to trial, and in no way a backpedaling on either on the calendar, on the aggressive nature of the prosecution that has already been litigated. I also asked him directly about the Eric Garner case, where a man was on video, choked to death by a police officer after saying 11 times, "I can't breathe," and the officer would not release it. For 2.5 years, that case has been laying there. There has been a federal investigation. I asked him to move forward aggressively on that case. He said that he did not look at that case. He committed to us that he would look into the Eric Garner case. And we made it very clear to him. Many of us opposed him, many of us still do, but he has to live up to the office of the law. Winning an election and winning a party does not give you the right to change from your duties as protecting the citizens of the United States. And that's what we wanted to make emphatically clear.